Hello and welcome. My name is Peter and this is Web Dev Tips. Today I'm going to show you how you can use JavaScript to insert custom CSS styling into your document after it has already loaded. So right now I'm having this empty index and I'm running it here in the browser. So I'm gonna put in some basic style. Just gonna style the body so that I can see some style being applied. And here I'm gonna put some fill text for the header, create some heading in here, and a list of some lorem ipsum text. I'm gonna create some footer. I'm gonna save it all. And right now you can see that this style up here is making it very poorly visible. So what I'll do is I'll just open up these script tags and create a function to take care of the additional styling. So I'm gonna grab the style element right here using this native function get elements by tag name. I'm grabbing the first one in case there are multiple, and if there isn't one, I'm just gonna create my own to make sure that I have something to put the custom CSS into, and then I'm gonna fill it with this CSS rule. Just for the body, I'm gonna change the font, the margin and padding, and for the footer I'm gonna do also padding, background and color, and then I'm gonna append this into the head of this element, which is right here, and this element will get loaded in there. So as you can see, this previous setting that was here is now overwritten by this, and there is no background color specified in here. So we can try that, and the background color could be just some very light gray, and it gets affected as well. So that's it. That's how you can load custom styling. You can load this from a file that you have. You can have the user to create his own styles and load them after the document has been already outputted into the browser. So thanks for watching, and I hope this tip was useful.